Hello, this is Chuck Fry, publisher of the Mind Mapping Software blog, your source for the best insights, reviews, and best practices for visual mapping. Welcome to this edition of Mind Map Insights, where I share tips and strategies to help you get the most out of mind mapping software in only 3 minutes. In this episode, we're going to take a look at how to use icons and symbols effectively in your mind maps. Icons and symbols are small visual elements that you can attach to topics in your mind maps, and in the process add meaning and context to them. These miniature images can be used to depict such things as priority, types of activities, tasks, and types of information and ideas. They're really quite flexible. It's been said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. A symbol or icon attached to a topic within your mind map can convey meaning and context, and that can be quickly understood by your brain because your brain loves to work with images. Symbols and icons are also a powerful way to categorize the contents of your mind maps. You should make it a practice to use them in most, if not all, of your maps to add color, meaning, and clarity. Let me give you 2 quick examples. First of all, you could designate those topics that are tasks with a checkmark icon. That enables you to quickly and visually index the contents of your mind map, quickly find those tasks. You could also do a filter of your mind map just upon those topics that contain that checkmark icon, and then your map will display only those topics. So that's quite powerful, especially if you have a large map. The other possibility that I want to share with you is, let's say you've created a mind map of ideas for further consideration. Now, once you've generated a bunch of ideas, you need to evaluate them. You need to decide what to do first, what to do next. You could, for example, use letter icons such as ABC or number icons such as 1, 2, 3 to designate which ideas you want to implement first, which ones come next, and so forth. That's a powerful way to take a large number of ideas and classify them in terms of what's most important, what's actionable. One other thing I would urge you to keep in mind as you're using icons and symbols in your maps, if you're sharing your maps with other people, remember, you created the map, you understand what those icons mean, other people may not. To get around that problem, I urge you to include a legend in your map, which is simply a summary of the symbols and icons that are used and what meaning you have attached to them. That will make your mind map much more clear. One final thought I'll leave you with is that color and imagery, once again, stimulate the brain, so icons and symbols can also make the contents of your map more memorable. Once again, in closing, this is Chuck Fry. This has been another Mind Map Insight. I encourage you to visit the blog for the full series of videos, as well as the web's biggest collection of resources on how to use this type of mind mapping software efficiently. Thanks again. Bye.